Hey guys, it's Skyler with Turtle AV, and today I want to show you our dual channel Dante to analog Pro converter. And like all of our products, is TAA compliant. And our Pro converters, because they're made with our ultra sturdy Turtle Aqua metal casing, has a 5-year warranty. This adapter will take 2 Dante channels off of your network and convert them over Euroblock to 2 analog line output. It's powered with PoE or 12 volts DC and has a physical switch for dB adjustment. Our Dante Pro converters all use genuine Dante Ultimo chipsets, which means they're not only compatible with the Dante devices that you know and love, but also the Dante software that you're already familiar with. So just plug it into your network. As you can see, we're using a Netgear AV line switch because they have a preset that will set everything else up for you. Then go to Dante controller and route your streams. And just like that, you're done. We have a lot of Dante-enabled devices here at Turtle AV. So visit us at www.turtleav.com and like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on any new products we might be releasing.